This beautiful lakefront home shows like a model home. The upscale furnishings are available as well. Built in 2007, 2 bedrooms, den office, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage. 1,556 square foot. Under air. Accordion storm shutters installed. 3rd bedroom converted into office with shelving, filing cabinets, etc. New washer, dryer and garbage disposal. New air conditioner and air handler with UV light installed in 2016. Located in the gated community of Coral Lakes that offers a clubhouse, pool, spa, tennis, basketball, baseball, volleyball, fitness room and more. Located near shopping and restaurants. Only 30 minutes to Fort Myers or Sanibel beaches.